god, the string line snapped.
Dom is the main character.
I know. He's got the mic on.
I am him. Are you recording?
No bet.
Oh. So we ran our chalk line from the bottom of the subfascia over there, and then we took a 2-foot level over here, leveled it up against this, made a mark, ran a chalk line all the way through, and then we're going to take our 2x2s and we'll run them. Is that far enough out, Will?
Yeah, that'll work. Are you good?
Yep. We run them along here like so.
Putting the bottom of the 2x2
Keeping the 2x2 straight on the chalk line. Now we're putting our soffit up here. We want it flush with this here so our fascia sits flat.
We're gonna metal right here. Then you can go back.
Now we take a little 12-inch block here. We run it on the inside. And then that creates a point for this one to get nailed to right at the seam. So get that all nice and tight. Go out a little bit. Yep. Staples I gotta pull over there.
I didn't have it.
Do we want to do 2 1/4?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, we're slapping on our fascia now. And we're going 2 1/4 off the bottom of the subfascia. That way everything matches around the house. We'll tack it with an 8 there, and then we do one in the middle, and then when we get it run all the way down, then we'll set up a string line from end to end and make sure that it's all perfectly level up and down. All right, so we're getting our blocks ready to run our string line across it to straighten it all out. Get a couple screws in. Get our bottom line So, throw another 8 in here. Twist her on up. Pull it nice and tight. Good. Then we're going to go through with the gun and get everything up and down where she needs to be. She's pretty close right there. The main thing is going to be the seams. Can you sight it from the end?
You just look across the string line at it. Make sure it's as flat as it can be.
That one looks pretty good right there. Good there.
Okay, put another one right here. Good. All right, now go to that.
Looks good right there. Check the middle of this guy. Pull the 8 out, otherwise they're gonna rust.
Nail that off.
Do what?
You all nailed off? That way it doesn't
No.
go back.
Yeah. Take me back to the Paradise City. So now we'll measure 2 inches from the face of this. We're putting our vents in. So we'll make our mark. He already marked that one. And then he's gonna go down to the other end, make a mark down there. And then we'll snap us a line. That way all of our vents are perfectly straight, running all the way through. Yeah. And then we'll match up the front of our vents to that blue line. That should be good. So we just got aluminum soffit vents here. Get your screw ready, and you want the vents, they're slotted like that. You want that facing back. So we'll get one right there. And then get this one, and if you angle the screw just a hair, it'll pull it nice and tight so it doesn't warp. Just like that. you go. That's how we do Soffit and Facia.